Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kameghalaya Human Rights Commission mentakas ni thok dieng kapratrik ubenai nok pra arhajar pulai. Kalaraki ke International Human Rights Day kabla penong ha State Convention Center Shillong. Kapang pedeng hakati kesengi kalong freedom, equality and justice for all. Hakani kesengi Menteri Rangba ukandut ke sangma ulalong kumukongsan haringkat ke jingdan nang jo Menteri Sarkar ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kong kesembut kongsan marki wei de ke besyak khot sngobha. Haba ajing keren hakati kesengi na Kylliang Menteri Rangba ulah kedawi ke Jingè hakapaya day ki hok chung ki Paidbah. Ulang ba ke Jingtei ki hok chung ki Paidbah ke Shong ha ke Jingïatiplem ba ke Jingïaburam ka ba mar Kylliang.
I should say one of the most meaningful and one of the most important programs that we should have and we should recognize, and we should ensure that we're able to celebrate it in the correct manner so that we are able to really take things forward when it comes to human rights and lives of individuals. In spite of all these situations, I made it a point to be here today. And I must say in advance that this may be one of the more difficult talks that I would have to give, or I guess any one of us would have to give, simply because of the kind of challenges that are there when it comes to human rights. And as said correctly by Dr. Amprin Lingdo, what is human rights at the end of the day? Is it the same for an individual and for other individuals, or is it relative to a particular individual and a particular group or a particular community? So what is right for you may be wrong for me. And who is to judge that? And hence we are here in a very complicated situation, trying to see all these complex situations of different groups, different countries, different organizations, having their own views on what human rights should be, and yet saying that, well, it is my right, and it is the way we move forward. So I guess the generic aspect of looking at freedom, equality, and justice for all, which is what the theme is, could be one of the ways in which we can underline the basics in which we should move forward. You forget the difficult things and you focus on what really matters. And I tell you, for me, when I say that I work to make a positive difference in a person's life, why it matters to me is because it is linked with human rights. It's the small things that matter.